Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video we're going to talk about how to set up your business profile in Wave. It's going to be a quick one. We're not going to waste much time with this topic, so you know what, let's just get straight into it. Now after logging in, you got to click on your business name at the top right, top left corner of the dashboard. So in the previous video we did how to set up the Wave account, and this video comes right after. So once you're done setting up your account and you log in for the first time, you're gonna need to click on your business name that's at the top left corner of the dashboard. From the drop down, you're gonna select business settings. Next, you're gonna under business profile, just click on business details. And then you're gonna need to fill in key information like your business name, industry, address, phone number, and logo. Now under business currency, you're gonna confirm or change the currency, of course, based on your location. And if you have multiple businesses, you can add them separately and switch between them anytime you want. Setting up your business profile properly helps to keep everything organized and ensure invoices and reports reflect accurate information. So it's pretty important to do this and not make any mistakes while doing so. But that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and we'll see you in the next one.